Hi everyone, welcome to today's session on constructions. So in constructions, today we will look at division of a line segment. Okay, so how to divide a line segment into equal parts, right? Let's say I have a line segment AB here. Okay, let's say this is the line segment AB. Now to divide this line into equal parts, let's say I want to divide into 4 equal parts. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to draw a line AX, which is inclined at an acute angle. Okay, let's say with theta, maybe 45 degrees or 30 degrees. It's up to us, right? And then divide this line into 4 equal parts. Let's say I'll take 2 centimeter divisions, 1, 2, 3, 4, and name them as like A1, A2, A3, and A4. So what I did, I draw a line AX, which is inclined at an angle theta, which can be acute angle. And then I am dividing this line into 4 parts with maybe 2 centimeter. Okay, 2 centimeter divisions. Okay, so such that, so what did I do? Let's include the steps as well, right? The step is, the first one is draw the line segment, draw line segment AB. That's one thing. Number two, draw AX, right? Draw AX and divide into 4 parts. How I should divide such that the divisions should be equal. So A1 equal to A1 A2 equal to A2 A3, that equal to A3 A4. In this case, I just took like 2 centimeters. Now, this line segment AB, I need to divide into 4 equal parts. So what I need to do is, I need to join B and A4, the last division. Understood? Now, what I did, the B is, BA4, right? Join. Or you can just say join BA4. That will be your last divisions. Now, whatever the angle that you get here, that will be with the same angle, draw a parallel line that touches this with the same angle. Okay. So let's say whatever the angle you get, maybe 80 degrees or whatever. So whatever the angle you get here, with the same angle, draw a parallel line to BA4 at A3, A2, and A1. They touch the line at at these points, right? Let's say these points are B1, B2, B3. Now the line segment AB is now divided into 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 4 equal parts it is divided. So what we need to do is, first we need to draw the line segment AB and then draw the line AX and divide that into 4 parts such that AA1, so this AA1 equal to AA2 equal to A2 A3 equal to A3 A4. I took just 2 centimeters. Okay, and now I joined point B with A4. I need 4 divisions, right? So I joined with A4. And then whatever this inclination, whatever this angle is, with the same angle, draw parallel lines at A3, A2, and A1. Then it touches the line segment AB at B1, B2, and B3. Okay. So then AB1, B1, B2, B2, B3, and B3, B are equal. So that's how you have divided line segment into 4 equal parts. Okay, so draw line segment AB, right? And then draw AX and divide into 4 equal parts, right? 4 parts with AA1 equal to that. And then join BA4. Now, draw parallel lines. Draw parallel lines to BA4 at A3, comma A2 and A1. Then Then what we need to do, denote B1, B2, B3 points where the line joins, AB segment, right? Where the lines join AB segment as, denote them as B1, B2, B3. Now this AB1 equal to B1, B2 equal to B2, B3, that equal to B3, B. These are four equal parts, right? Equal parts of line segment AB. So if steps are asked, just write the steps like whatever we have done. So first we draw the line segment AB, and then we draw AX with an acute angle, and then with 2 centimeters, I divided four equal parts on the line AX, and then I join B and A4, and I draw parallel lines to BA4 at A3, A2, and A1. Wherever it touches, that points we indicated as B1, B2, B3. Then the line segment AB is now divided into 4 equal parts, such that AB1 is equal to B1, B2, equal to B2, B3, and equal to B3, B. So that's how we can divide a line segment into equal parts. If in this case I have taken 4 equal parts. If they ask for 3, then you should take 3 divisions, and from A3 you join to B. Okay, and then draw parallel lines from to BA3 at A2 and A1. If there are 5 parts, if you want to make 5 equal parts, then indicate another point which is A5 on AX, and then join A5 and B, and then draw parallel lines to A5 and B. So whichever divisions you want, the last point on AX, that you need to join to B, and then draw parallel lines to that line which touches the line segment at different points. Okay, so that's how we can divide line into equal parts. Now let's look at this. So now we know how to divide the line into equal parts, right? Now let's see how to do that for a triangle. Okay, given a triangle ABC, construct a triangle whose sides are 5 by 3 of the corresponding sides. Okay, so what is asked is, there is a triangle ABC. Okay, the lengths are not given, so we can assume any lengths and we can draw the triangle. And then we need to construct another triangle similar to that, that is having a scale factor of 5 by 3. That means 5 by 3 means it's a bigger triangle we need to draw. So the scale factor here is, scale factor equal to 5 by 3. That means total I need to divide this into 5 divisions. Okay, I'll tell you first. First, let's draw the triangle. Okay, so let's say I'm drawing the triangle ABC. Let's say this is, let's say this is my triangle ABC. Okay, ABC. Now I'm just extending this line because I need to divide that into 5 equal parts, right? Because 5 by 3 is what I need. So consider this line BC as a line segment and takes with some acute angle. So in this case, I am taking 45 degrees. Okay. Then 5 by 3, right? So whichever is higher, numerator or denominator. So here numerator is 5. So that means divide this line BC into 5 parts. So what I will do is, with 2 centimeters, I'll indicate like A1, A2, A3, A4, and A5. Understood? Okay, let's do this. Let's make this as P and this as A. Then it will matches with our A1, A2, A3, A4, and A5. Now, 5 by 3, right? So that means the original triangle is three parts, and the bigger triangle is 5 times, right? So what I will do is first I will join A3 and C. So that way I know like this is 3 portions. The smaller triangle is 3 portions. Now I need a bigger triangle. Then I need to draw a parallel line from A5 to A3C with the same angle. So whatever is the angle here with the same angle, I draw a parallel line to this. So this I'll denote as C dash. Okay, that means what is happening here? So this line AC is three, I mean 3 portions, and the AC dash is 5 portions. Okay, we are just scaling it. So 5 by 3 means you will get a bigger triangle. Then what you need to do is extend this line and find the angle, whichever the angle is here. With the same angle, you just draw a line parallel to BC. So that will touch this line at, let's say, B dash. Now, if you see A, B dash, C dash is our bigger triangle, which is 5 by 3 times to the triangle ABC. You understood? So we just extended our dividing the line segment principle here. So for line, the base, which is AC here. So for that, I draw a line which is 5 times, 5 portions. When this line is 3 portions, I wanted to draw a line which is 5 portions of that. So what I did for line AC, I extended and then I draw a line AX with an acute angle which is 45 degrees, and then I divided that line into 5 parts like A1 equal to A1 A2 A2 A3 A3 A4 and A4 A5, each part equal to 2 centimeters. Now, so this is 3 portions, right? So the smaller triangle is 3 portions. So I joined A3 and C with the same for this line from A5, I draw the parallel line. How can you draw the parallel line? Measure the angle here with the same angle. You can draw a line which can touch at C dash. Now, with this angle, let's say this is theta 1. Okay. Now I'll make this as theta 2 so that there's no confusion. So with the same angle, you can draw a line which can touch the extension of AB at B dash. So now this is our bigger triangle. A, B dash, C dash is our bigger triangle to delta ABC, which is like 5 by 3 times. Okay. So let's write the steps here, right? So what are the steps? The first thing is number 1, draw delta ABC, right? So first we draw the triangle ABC. Now what we did from A, right? From A, draw AX ray, right? AX ray. So that we did. And now divide AX into 5 equal parts. That is A1 equal to A1 A2 equal to A2 A3, that equal to A3 A4, that equal to A4 A5. Now we need a triangle 5 by 3 times. That means this is 3 portions. The required triangle is 5 portions. So join. So which one we join? A3. 3 portions we join. So join CA3. Right? So that will be 3 portions. Now we need 5 portions. So next, what we did, draw a parallel line. Draw a parallel line from A5. Draw a parallel line from A5. Draw a parallel line to CA3 from A5. Draw a parallel line to CA3 from A5. A5 which touches line AC at C dash. Right? That's what it did, right? It touches the line AC at C dash. Now draw a parallel line to BC from C dash, which touches line AB at B dash. What is the last step? Therefore, A, B dash, C dash is the new triangle, right? That is the new triangle, which is pi by 3 times of delta A, B, C. Understood? Therefore, triangle A, B dash, C dash is the new triangle, which is pi by 3 times of delta A, B, C. So this is important problem, guys. Hope you understood like how to draw a similar triangle with a scale factor. Sometimes it can be they can ask a bigger triangle, or sometimes they can ask a smaller triangle. Smaller triangle means it can be like 2 by 3 or 3 by 5. The denominator will be bigger. That means the original triangle is bigger. If numerator is a smaller number, that means you need to get a smaller triangle, a portion of like 5 by 3 means how much you will get 1.66 something, right? So you need a triangle which is 1.6 times of delta ABC. Let's look at that smaller triangle also. Okay, let's look this. So in this, construct a triangle of sides 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 6 centimeter, and then a triangle similar to 8 whose sides are 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides of a first triangle. So here, what is the scale factor? 2 by 3. So as I said, it is a smaller triangle that we need to draw. Scale factor is 2 by 3. That means our original triangle is 3 portions and our new triangle is 2 portions. And here, we don't need to assume the lengths of delta ABC. So the lengths are already given. So I'll take this as base. Okay, let's take uh, 6 centimeter as the base. Okay, so I'll draw here. Okay, so this is our, let's say, AC. So here AC equal to 6 centimeters, and then I'll take this as AB 4 centimeters, right? So somewhere like this, if I cut, and from here if I cut, this will be 6 centimeters. So this is our delta ABC. Okay, now I need to draw draw a similar triangle that is of scale factor 2 by 3. That means what I will do is same. I will draw a X-ray with maybe 45 degrees, right? With an acute angle, and then three, which is bigger here, 3. So I'll make this into 3 parts, 2 centimeters. Okay, so this is A1, A2, and A3. So the original triangle is 3 portions. That means I will join C and A3 now. Understood? So whatever the angle is here, that I will measure. Now I need 2 portions, right? So from here, I'll draw a parallel line to this. Parallel line to CA3, which will touch the line AC at C dash. Now I'll draw a parallel line to this. Let's say this is theta 2. I'll draw a parallel line from C dash with theta 2. These 2 lines are parallel, and these 2 lines are parallel. See, this and these are parallel, and this and these are parallel lines. Now this is theta 2, and with the same angle, I'll do that. So then where it's joining, it joins at B dash. So then A, B dash, C dash is our new triangle. You understood? So earlier we got a bigger triangle, which is 5 by 3 times. That means 1.6 times of the original triangle. But here we are getting 2 by 3rd. 2 by 3rd means 0.67. So it's a smaller triangle to our original triangle. So same case. Let's write the steps here, right? So now I think you guys should be able to write the steps, right? So whatever we have done, let's, yeah. Now construct or draw, whatever, right? Construct delta ABC. So BC I took as 6, and then what is AB? AB as 4 centimeters, and then BC I took as 5 centimeters. Now construct delta ABC. Number 2, from A, draw AX ray with 45 degrees. Okay. Then what we did, divide AX into 3 equal parts, right? Such that AA1 equal to A1, A2. Hope you guys are following, right? So equal to A2, A3. So I took 2 centimeters. You can take 3 centimeters. It's up to you. Okay. And then what I did, I join CA3. That will be your 3 portions, right? Then after that, what I did, draw a parallel line. Draw a parallel line to which one? CA3. Draw a parallel line to CA3 from A2, because we need the scale factor is 2 by 3. So 2 portions we need. If it is 1 by 3, that means even smaller triangle. Then I would have joined A1 and the C dash would be somewhere here. I would have drawn a parallel line from A1 if it is 1 by 3. As it is 2 by 3, I'm drawing from A2. You're getting it, right? Okay. And now, comma, this joins the line AC at C dash. Next what we did, we draw the parallel line to the other side, right? Draw a parallel line to CB or BC. Draw a parallel line to BC from C dash. Okay. Comma, this joins where? This joins the line. Which line? AB. This joins the line AB at B dash. Now, therefore, delta A B dash C dash is the new triangle, right? It's the new triangle which is 2 by 3 times of delta A B C. You understood, right? So the construction steps here for a similar triangle are very simple. We know how to divide the line. So if it is, first we need to get a bigger triangle or a smaller triangle. So how that is depends on the factor, scale factor. If it is, the scale factor is greater than 1, for example, 5 by 3, right? That is 1.6. So if it is greater than 1, then we will get a bigger triangle. If it is less than 1, in this case 2 by 3, which is 0.667, right? So then we'll get a smaller similar triangle. So what we need to do is first we construct the triangle, which is delta ABC, and then how we divided the line segment. So draw line AX with some acute angle. I took 45 degrees, and then indicate whichever parts you need, 5 parts or 3 parts. So 3 parts here, maximum parts 3. So A1 equal to A1, A2 equal to A2, A3, where 2 centimeters I took, and then as I need 2 by 3, so the extremes I will join, C and A3 I will join, because this is the bigger triangle, and then I need 2 portions of it. So from A2, I'll draw a parallel line. So that will join the line AC at C dash. From C dash, I'll draw a parallel line to get B dash on line AB. Right. So I got B dash. Now the new triangle is A, B dash, C dash. And that is 2 by 3 times of our original triangle delta ABC. Okay. So that's how we can draw similar triangles based on the scale factor given. Okay. Hope you guys understood, right? So that's all for today's session. I hope you understood the topic, and I'll see you next time. If you have any questions or queries, so you can contact me using my Urban Pro profile. Thank you.